Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best computer tower stands that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or someone looking to organize your workspace, we've got something for you. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Aximel 2-tier computer tower stand with charging station. This stand is a great option for those looking for versatility paired with functionality. With dimensions of 11.8 inches by 16.5 inches and a height of 23.2 inches, it offers ample space for your PC tower along with an additional surface for office supplies, books, or peripherals. The built-in power strip and USB ports are an excellent touch, making it easy to charge your devices without needing extra outlets. Perfect for small offices or cluttered workspaces. The Aximel stand is crafted from durable metal and features a C-shaped design, which makes it easy to slide under a desk or use as a side table. The open frame structure ensures proper ventilation, which is vital for preventing your PC from overheating. Mobility is another highlight. Smooth rolling wheels allow you to reposition the stand effortlessly, while adjustable feet maintain stability on uneven surfaces. However, at 8.36 pounds, it's slightly heavier than similar models, and the assembly process, while straightforward, might take a bit longer due to its dual-layer structure. Overall, while the Aximel stand offers a lot of value with its charging station and dual-layer design, it's best suited for those who prioritize functionality over compactness. That said, the product's limited customer reviews and slightly bulky design place it at number 5 on our list. Pros include its charging station, spacious design, and mobility, while cons include limited user feedback and its heavier build. At number 4, we have the Hovodova Adjustable Mobile CPU Stand. This product is a simple yet practical solution for those who need a reliable stand for their PC tower. Made of sturdy metal steel pipes and a ventilated PS panel, the Hovodova stand is designed to elevate your PC from the floor, enhancing airflow and cooling. The perforated design allows heat to dissipate effectively, making it a great choice for gamers or professionals running high-performance systems. The stand features an adjustable width, 7.87 to 11.81 inches, and a fixed length of 15.75 inches, ensuring compatibility with most PC towers. Its 4 360-degree rotating wheels provide excellent mobility, and 2 of them are lockable for added stability. At just 1.54 pounds, this stand is lightweight, making it easy to move around your workspace. However, its load capacity is capped at 88 pounds, which might not be sufficient for heavier PC cases. The protective railings on the sides ensure your PC stays secure during movement, and the tool-free assembly process is a breeze. While it lacks extra features like a charging station or dual layers, the Hovodova stand excels in its simplicity and functionality. It's ideal for those on a budget who need a lightweight, ventilated stand. Pros include its excellent mobility, lightweight design, and improved airflow, while cons are its lower weight capacity and lack of advanced features. Taking the number 3 spot is the liitrton Mobile CPU Stand. This stand strikes a perfect balance between adjustability, durability, and ease of use. Its adjustable design allows the length to expand from 16.93 to 22.44 inches and the width from 9.6 to 14.57 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of PC towers. A standout feature here is the non-slip texture on the surface, which ensures your PC stays securely in place without scratches or movement. The liitrton stand is made from high-grade steel and ABS materials, offering robust load-bearing capability while maintaining a lightweight build, just 1.43 pounds. The 360-degree rotating casters make repositioning your PC effortless, and the lockable wheels ensure stability when needed. Its elevated design improves airflow and keeps your PC off the ground, protecting it from dust and debris. Quick assembly is another plus, with no tools required to get it up and running. This stand is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, adjustable, and portable option. While it lacks advanced features like USB ports or extra tiers, its simplicity and practicality make it a solid choice. Pros include its adjustable dimensions, lightweight yet sturdy build, and non-slip surface. On the downside, it doesn't offer additional storage or charging options, which might not suit users looking for a more multifunctional solution. In the runner-up position, we have the Morrisher Computer Tower Stand. This stand is a fantastic choice for those seeking a heavy-duty solution with a premium design. Made entirely of metal, this stand is not only durable, but also scratch and collision resistant. Measuring 26 by 13 by 34 inches, it features a two-tier design that maximizes vertical space, allowing you to store your PC tower on the bottom tier and other accessories like printers or monitors on the top. One of its standout features is its adjustable height, which uses a tight knob for secure positioning. The perforated plates enhance airflow, while the cable management system on the back keeps cords neatly organized. With a load capacity of up to 120 pounds on the bottom tier and 100 pounds on the top, this stand is built to handle even the heaviest setups. The 4 lockable wheels ensure smooth mobility while keeping the stand stable when needed. The included mouse pad is a thoughtful touch for gamers and professionals who use peripherals. The Morrisher stand is perfect for those looking for a robust, versatile, and spacious solution. While its larger size and heavier weight, 18.33 pounds, might not suit smaller spaces, its functionality and durability are hard to beat. Pros include its adjustable height, excellent load capacity, and high-quality build, while cons are its bulkier design and higher price point. Finally, taking the top spot is the Jane Eyre Computer Tower Stand. This stand truly stands out for its versatility, premium features, and stylish design. Made of wood with a sleek black finish, it offers a modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any workspace. The stand features a two-tier design with 10 distinct height adjustments, allowing you to customize it to your exact needs. The expanded bottom dimensions, 19.2 by 11.5 inches, make it suitable for larger PC towers or even multiple devices. What sets this stand apart is its integrated power station, which includes dual 120-volt 12-amp sockets and USB ports. This feature allows you to conveniently charge your devices, from smartphones to desk lamps, making it perfect for IT professionals, gamers, or office workers. The 4 wheels, 2 of which have brakes, provide excellent mobility and stability. Additionally, hooks on the side are great for storing headphones or other accessories. While it requires some assembly, the Jane Eyre stand is well worth the effort. Its 140-pound load capacity ensures durability, though it's recommended to keep heavy items on the lower settings for added safety. With a 4.4-star rating from over 300 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its combination of form and function. Pros include its charging station, adjustable height, and modern design, while cons are its assembly requirements and slightly higher price. Overall, this is the ultimate computer tower stand for anyone looking for a premium, multifunctional solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.